This video is going to go in depth about Sukasana, easy seated pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Sukasana. And this is a common pose that you will see when I start off my videos, just because it's so versatile and it can help you be able to sit in quiet meditation as we start off the practice. So to begin, we can just sit with our hips on the floor as we normally would, and we're going to just cross our right leg in front of us and then maybe cross our left leg, trying to make sure that the feet are right under the knees. And another thing that we can do is maybe take the sit bones and move the flesh out from underneath the sit bones, getting us a little bit more grounded with the floor. And we just want to stack the spine up over the hips, the head over the spine, and just let the shoulder blades slide down the back. If you're not certain whether or not you're sitting up tall, one thing that we can do is lace our fingers together, turn the palms outward, and then just lift the arms up over the head. Lift and lengthen, really push through the fingertips, and then slowly but firmly bring our hands back down to our knees. And this will help us to be forced into a comfortable seated position. Maybe you're new to a yoga practice and you have spent a lot of years sitting at a desk typing. What this has a tendency to do is round the spine. A lot of times the neck protrudes forward and the shoulders hunch. So it can be helpful to use a prop. A pillow or a yoga blanket can be quite helpful for this. And what you do is you just sit your pillow down, you bring your sit bones to the pillow, and that gives your hips a little bit extra cushion to prop you up. And that way you can just bring your legs in front of you, crossing them, and this can allow you to sit up a little bit taller and maybe walking your feet out a bit. Sukhasana, easy seated pose in a nutshell. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, share, maybe click the gear notification button to see future videos. I do more yoga in depth and guided meditations and mindfulness. Feel free to check me out on Twitter and Instagram as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. May love and light be yours. Namaste.